Yeah, thank you. And I think that's the contrast between the way that the Pope Leo XIII talked, who was analysing, and Mary MacKillop, who was just living there among people. Yeah, thank you.
You're re-inscribing here undeservedly on the first page, so I think you should stop re-inscribing. That's my point.
Oh, right. It was just a quote from him. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't draw out the contrast enough. Sure. Okay.
You spoke about Mary growing up watching Aboriginal people being assassinated. So I just want to bring us back to the intervention for a moment.
Yes, certainly.
In the last 3 years, a group called Concerned Australians has been trying to bring about the voices of Aboriginal peoples living under the Northern Territory intervention into the mainstream. Aboriginal people are hurting. They are feeling totally devastated by having controls imposed on them in every aspect of their lives, in their communities, being taken over by general business managers, and their land virtually taken away from them. We have not been successful in getting government to reconsider their policies, nor has the United Nations been successful in getting change. Very sadly, in June this year, these discriminatory measures were cemented into legislation, into Australian law, discriminatory and racist-based legislation. Does anyone know? And where's the outrage? I've heard you speak today a lot about the importance of listening, of being on the ground.
Yeah.
And we have people on the ground listening, and we've had a book written, this is what we said, actually raises the voices. We've tried to get this across to government. The government's seen the book, some people have seen the book, but can you suggest other approaches? And when I ask that, I can see the grace and the spirituality that balance you in your work. So there's a lot of lessons for each of us in our quest for justice. But are there any hands-on? What are the best approaches? We know we can listen, we've got dialogue, we've got respect. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm not sure I'm the expert on this, but I see you have the book. And do you have copies that people could get? We've got a few. Well, I'm sure there will be people in this group who will be very interested. I know that there was a very, very powerful film that is listening to the people, and I know that that's available, and that maybe you and Joan Hamilton there would be able to tell people about that. I think dialogue in small groups is a fabulous way of raising consciousness. Being there is even more fabulous. Thank you.
So, we running out of the time. It will be good for us to continue asking questions to Sister Joan during the lunch, which is ready. In the meantime, would you please? Okay. I don't know what to do, so.
So we've just got a very small gift. We do encourage people to stay. There will be sandwiches after, but we're conscious some people do have to get back after lunch. So just a small gift, Sister. Thank you very much for that inspirational talk. I'm sure most people will get something out of it. There are some copies at the back that we run out. We'll be passing out those or apologies. Thank you everyone for coming. Safe Christmas. Enjoy your 2011. God stay home. And stop praying for
Pretty good. SBA.